Hi there, welcome to my channel Freelance Rahul. I'm Rahul Mandal, expert in Google for tracking, Facebook conversion API, and server-side tracking, and Google Ads conversion tracking. So if you are looking any of this service, you can contact me. You will get my email and phone number in the description. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to track view item event for Facebook conversion API. So to do that, come to your Google Tag Manager first, then I'll create a tag for view item to track view item event. So I'll give a name here, and for tag configuration you have to select the Facebook picture archive. This is the tag template for Facebook API conversion, and here you can add the Facebook picture. You can paste the Facebook picture directly, or you can create a constant variable by that Facebook picture. So I will paste the variable which I created, every picture constant variable. So I am showing you how I have done this variable. You can see I have selected the constant here, constant, and I paste the Facebook picture, this pixel ID 201, this pixel ID. So I will select this constant Facebook picture, then this is a view content tag. So I will select view content, and now I will add some object properties here, property name and property value. I will add 5 property name and value. So here I have paste all the property name. So I will do copy paste here. So content type, content ID, content name, value, and currency. These are the required property name you should send to Facebook picture. So I will add the property value. So content type is product. So I will type here product, and the content ID. So I have created the variable for content ID. Let's show you how I have created that. You can see here DLP AB product ID. This is the variable I have created for product ID. You can see this is the data layer, commerce.item.0.item ID. You can check it from here. You have to understand the data layer to track everything correctly. So to take this item ID, the data layer is ecommerce.items.0.item ID. So you can see here. So I have created every variable for this. You can see product ID, currency, product name, and price. So I will add these one by one. So let's select this content ID and content name, and this name should be like this. If you mistake anything, suppose uh, you have pasted here the capital C, so it will not work. So you have to use exactly like this. And let's select content name, value, select the value, yeah, select it, currency, currency. And now for triggering, I will select it will be trigger when someone come to your website and click on any product. So if anyone click on any product, this view item is fired. This view item in the data layer you will see. So you can see here the data layer dot post event name is view item. So you have to copy this view item, then go to your Google Tag Manager, and here you can create a trigger. I have already created a trigger. I'll show you. I'm showing you how I have created this trigger. You can see I have selected the custom event here. This is the custom event, and I paste the view item from here. This view item I have pasted here. So I will select this view content trigger. Just select it. Now the view content tag has been completed. Now just save it. And submit. Best practice is to submit, but it is not mandatory. Go to preview mode. If you want to check, you can go to the preview mode, and also you can check here whether the view item event are coming or not. We continue here. So if anyone come to your website and click on any product like this, then the view item tag will be fired, and the view item view content event data will come here. You can see this is the view content event. I clicked on this product saving kit, and you can see this is the saving kit product, and the value is 55. You can check the value here, 55. So everything is coming here correctly, and you can see also in the debug view this has been fired. You can see this is I just created a view content tag, and it has been succeed firing status. You can see here. So this is how you can track view item event for Facebook Conversion API. So thank you so much.